Okay guys, we just finishing up this job. This job came out very nice. Beautiful measurements. Clients are very happy. They love the new fencing. So we got panels all the way down, you know, step down panels. You can see there, very nice. And then it goes around the tree. Nice. Cierra la puerta. Got my guys cleaning. Got the wood leg double swing. And got some panels back there. Abre la puerta. Show you guys back here. Okay, the guys are still cleaning up, so two panels back there. Still gotta clean up a little bit, but you know, very nice job, very clean. And there you go guys, another job by Mulholland.